Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add products, images and galleries in Odoo. So adding products, images and galleries in Odoo helps customers understand your products better and usually improves conversations. So actually guys, at first you will need to open your products, and to do that you will need to go and click on the website option right here or model, and then just go and click on e-commerce option at the top bar between the site and reporting sections or options, and then just go with products, the first option on the products section. Okay, exactly. So once you click it right here, you will need to add the main products image. Okay, so at the top of the products page you can click the image placeholder and upload your main image. So let's say that you want to create a new product from here, new, and you want to give it a picture or an image. So you can just go right here at the top right of that pop-up menu, and then just go with edit, then go with upload an image or add a URL of that product. Okay, even you can just search for an image using that search bar. Alright, so actually guys, once finished, your products will have a picture, and if you already have the products right here, or you already created it and you're working with it, you will need just to click the image placeholder as I said and upload your main image. So the best practices are to use the high resolution photos, prefer square images, and keep the backgrounds clean, and even you will need to use the consistent lighting. And for the formats, the recommended ones are the JPG, PNG, and WEB. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.